Hey guys, Sihle here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. So on today's video, I'll be doing this sunset look. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. So sit back and enjoy Sihle's creations.
So I already did my brows, and the first thing I'm gonna do is to prime my eyes using the LA Girl eye primer and using my finger to blend that out before going in with a fluffy brush, making sure everything is well blended out. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe and James Charles palette, and the first shade I'm going to take is the purple shade, which is called Escape. I'm going to pack that along my crease line and I'm going to slightly blend it out. Above that purple shade, the next shade I'm going in with, it's the red, which is called You Kidding, and I'm gonna blend that on top of the purple. The next shade I'm gonna use is the neon orange, which is called 518. I'm just gonna take that above the previous red and also going in with the yellow shade, which is called B. And now going back to the previous shades I used, I'm just gonna reapply them, making sure each and every color is still visible. And now I'm gonna blend everything out, making sure there are no harsh lines. And then for my lid, I'm not gonna cut or clean my lid. I'm just gonna go straight to the first shade, which is called Acapella. It's like a dark blue shimmer shade. I'm gonna focus it along my inner and outer corners. And next to Acapella, I'm gonna take a baby blue shimmer shade, which is called Hello. And for the center of my lid, I'm gonna mix ring light and So Good, and I'm also gonna spray my brush. And also guys, because we are using a lot of different shades or colors, just make sure you go back to a shade and reapply it. Now I'm gonna line my lash line using a black liquid liner, and then I'm gonna pop my lashes on off camera. And to prime my face, I am using the Essence Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. And for foundation, I'm gonna use the MAC, I think it's the Matchmaster in the shade NC45. And to blend that out, I am using a Dumped Beauty blender. And to highlight and contour my face, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shade Medium Beige. I'm gonna use that to highlight my face, and then using Espresso to contour. And to set my highlight, I'm gonna use the Yardley translucent powder, and also to set my contour, I'm using the Nova face press powder in the shade Cashew. Now I am going in with the pink pencil liner. I'm just gonna line my waterline and then go back to the James Charles palette. I'm gonna take the pink shade, which is called Skip. I'm gonna apply that along my lower lash line. And to set my face, I am using the Miss Signature setting spray. And to warm my cheeks, I'm gonna take the orange shade from the Buda Treat Modern palette. The mascara I'm gonna use, it's the Essence mascara, and to glow my face I'm gonna take the Anastasia Glow Kit using the shade White Sand. To line my lips, I'm using the Essence lip liner. I'm not sure about the shade. And then the lipsticks I'm using, it's the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte. And the shades I am using are Tease and Love. And I'm gonna top that with a lip gloss. So there you have it, guys, my sunset birthday makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and also follow me on social media. Until next time, much love.